Structs can implement interfaces but cannot inherit from them. Interfaces provide a contract that a struct or class must follow, but they do not provide implementation. A struct can implement an interface by providing implementations for the methods, properties, or events defined in the interface. A struct cannot inherit from another struct or class, but it can implement one or more interfaces. To make a struct inherit from an interface, write a : symbol after the struct name followed by the interface name.